If your roommate or partner can't stand your snoring any longer, you must try this. A nasal dilator is a simple solution to opening up your airflow in your nose by stretching it. Snoring often occurs when airflow is restricted during sleep, causing the tissues in the throat and nose to vibrate. Wider nose holes provide more oxygen, resulting in better sleep and overall more brain power. You can wear it during the day as well, either while studying, exercising, or anything where more oxygen is beneficial. And you can find it on Amazon from my profile.